Hi everyone, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to find the largest value between the first and last elements of an array and replace all elements with that value. Let's dive in and see how this works. Our goal is simple. Take an array and replace all elements with the larger value between the first and last elements. This is the common operation in data processing, where uniformity in values is required. Here's the function, all-max. It uses a ternary operator to determine the larger value between the first and last elements. Then it updates all elements of the array to this maximum value and returns the modified array. Here's the breakdown of our approach. First, we compare the first and last elements to find the target. Second, we replace all elements in the array with this value. Finally, we return the updated array. This approach ensures uniformity across the array. In this example, the largest value is 40, which replaces all elements in the array. The result is 40, 40, 40. Here, the largest value is 0. As expected, the function replaces all elements with 0, resulting in the string 0, 0, 0. In this final case, the largest value is 12, which becomes the new value for all elements in the array. The output is 12, 12, 12. Here's a modern ES6 version of this function. By using Math.max and the spread operator, we simplify the process of finding the largest value. The rest of the logic remains the same, ensuring readability and efficiency. To summarize, the all-max function efficiently updates an array by replacing all elements with the largest value. It's a handy technique for normalizing data and can be easily adapted for arrays of different lengths. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I will see you in the next time.